What is up, YouTube? I hope everyone is good, staying safe. In this video, I'm going to be introducing to you the new Lockdown Challenge 2020, where I'll be giving away thousands of pounds worth of prizes in this video. So if you're an Amazon seller, if you are thinking about being an Amazon seller, if you used to be an Amazon seller, if you want to be an Amazon seller, definitely stay tuned till the end, guys, and enjoy the video. Right, guys, so I hope everyone's staying safe during these pretty crazy times, right? We're all stuck at home. Luckily, it's sunny, so we can enjoy the sunshine and not just be stuck indoors with it raining, right? But I want to briefly just tell you guys about the Lockdown Challenge. But before I do, a little bit about the prizes, right? Because that's what a lot of you are going to be interested in. So I'm going to be giving away 3 scholarships to my Elite Academy, which are £595 each for free in this video. I'm going to be giving away 3 one-to-one hour strategy calls with myself, where we'll look at your current business, your business model, we'll look at your product, and we will make changes and we will improve. It's going to take you 2 minutes to enter this competition. All you've got to do is stay tuned till the end to find out how. It is roasting outside, so I decided to come inside because I was burning. But I want to introduce to you the Lockdown Challenge 2020, right? What am I talking about? So I want to find out how your Amazon FBA business has been performing during the lockdown, right? Everything stopped. The economy has just gone. Everyone is stuck at home. No one is working, or most people aren't working. So how is your FBA business performing, right? Now, one of the reasons why we started Amazon FBA, I'm gonna talk on your behalf a little bit there, but you know, we're looking to diversify, have a second stream of income. So if things dry up, one of the reasons, if things dry up, you've got a second income. Now, e-commerce has not been hit, online, especially with Amazon FBA, has not been hit anything like what other businesses have, right? For obvious reasons. But I want to find out a little bit about how you're getting on. So it's very, very simple. To enter this competition, all you have to do is comment below Amazon FBA, and you need to send me an email, which is at info@amazonsupremacy.com. So info@amazonsupremacy.com. And I want to see a sales shot of your Amazon sales from the 1st of April until the end of April. That's it. All I want to see is how your sales figures are looking for the lockdown, the month of April where we've been in lockdown. And that is literally it. I'm going to be looking through the emails that are sent to me. Now, I've got hundreds of students, and I know some people have already broken £20,000 in sales already this month. But I want to find out a little bit about individual people, a little bit about you, how your figures are looking over this month, and I'm going to be choosing a few people that I'm going to reach out to and respond to find out a little bit more, right? What are your profit margins? How many products do you sell? And you know, what's your story, right? What got you started with selling on Amazon? And tell me a little bit about it. And I'm going to be choosing a winner. So after all that's gone on, right, remember, all you've got to do is comment Amazon FBA and flick me over an email at the end of April with your sales figures. That's it. I'm going to be assessing them, looking at them, reaching out to you guys and choosing a winner. You don't need to be a student to enter this competition. All you need is a couple of minutes. Like I mentioned in the introduction of this video, I'll be giving away thousands of pounds worth of prizes. I'll be giving those away to 3 winners. So I'll be choosing 3 people from the results that I get sent in. And yeah, it's going to be good to find out a little bit more about your stories, right? As I deal with so many people, I can't physically speak to everyone in depth about their circumstances, their scenario, what got them started. So it's going to be nice to hear a little bit more when I make my decisions. Now, decisions are not going to be made just on the monetary figure, right? So if you send me a screenshot with £1 million worth of sales, that is not going to be what it's based on, right? I'm going to be running my own assessment. I'm going to be looking at, like I mentioned, profit margins, speaking to people on an individual basis and choosing a winner based on who I think deserves it the most, right? So 3 winners, Lockdown Challenge 2020. Make sure you enter because you've got to enter to win, right? You've got to enter to win. And I hope everyone is, I don't know, enjoying the lockdown, make the most of it. I don't know, stuck at home. Hopefully you've got a decent setup that's helping you through it. If you haven't, you know, just it's going to be over soon, right? Fingers crossed. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.